Let's see how to draw doodles in Instagram chat in the 2026 update. So here you have to first open up your Instagram app and go to your direct message and open any chat. Now tap the plus icon from the bottom next to the message box. Here you will find this new draw option. Just go for it and hit on this try it now. Now you can start drawing. Choose your pen style from the top, adjust the size and pick any color from the palette below, and you can even use the color picker to grab any colors directly from the chat. And even you made a mistake, just tap undo and redraw. And once you are happy with your doodle, just tap send and that's it. Now the person you send it to can also add their own drawings. They can hit on this add space option and create their drawing and send it back. And this is how you can making your chats more fun and creative like this. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.